Imagine a row of boxes, all lined up. Each box can hold one item, just like an array in data structures. These boxes have positions numbered from 0. The first box is 0, the second is 1, and so on. This helps us find things easily. Let's say we have 4 boxes. In the first box, 0, we place the number 5, in the second, 1, the number 10, and so forth. Arrays are useful because they help us keep items organized and make finding them super easy. Think of students sitting in a row in class. Each student is like a box in our array, and their spot helps teachers find them quickly. Or, imagine books neatly arranged on a shelf. Each book has its own spot, making it easy to pull out the one you want. Lastly, think of seats in a cinema hall. Each seat is numbered, just like our boxes, allowing people to find their places easily.